Okay.
Well, I'm Bill Shipton, and we are thrilled to have bought our new condo here. We could have never done it without Scott. Scott kept in touch with us regularly. We bugged him almost daily with emails, and he always responded right away. He was patient with us. He showed us exactly the kinds of units we had requested, and we're as happy as can be.
And my name is Jack Rhodes, and I just also want to reaffirm what a wonderful experience it has been working with Scott. He's thoughtful, he's concise, and one of the most important things is he was extremely patient with us. And it was really important to him not to lead us into anything that was outside of our range. So I am just so pleased that he helped us find the perfect property.
And even after purchasing, every question we asked, he was able to answer.
Yeah, so I would highly recommend working with him. It has been an amazing experience, especially for a couple coming from far away. And he just has made this whole journey of buying our new home the most pleasurable experience one could ever imagine.
Yeah.
How's that?